Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, August 4th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, it is rather steamy out there as a humid air mass, a tropical air mass, has invaded our region. Temperatures range from the upper 60s to mid-70s over the far northern interior. The rest of the interior basically ranges from the mid-70s to lower 80s, upper 70s to lower 80s in your suburbs, and also in your urban areas. So it definitely is a rather humid air mass out there with the dew points already pushing into the lower to mid 70s. Winds are from the southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And we have some scattered cloud cover, a little bit of fog here and there, some patchy fog that is rapidly lifting as the sun is rising. And that fog is giving way, and we are well on our way to a very hot day. I'm going to put this out there right now. If you don't need to be outside, I would suggest you not be outside. Stay in a cool environment, because our heat index, once again, will be breaking 100 degrees. Our temperatures will be pushing, especially in your urban areas, into the mid-90s, and it is just pretty much going to be a dangerous situation for anyone who has any type of health concerns, any children, elderly. Stay indoors. Drink plenty of water, stay hydrated, and stay cool. Because this is why I don't like summer, and this is why I prefer fall and winter. But it's going to be one of those days, that is for sure. Taking a look at our surface map and radar, you can see we don't have any frontal boundary near us right now. We'll have to watch out for a sea breeze front, possibly developing an isolated thunderstorm along the coast, and possibly a few isolated thunderstorms over the interior later on this afternoon. But this cold front way back here, well, it's going to be inching its way towards our neck of the woods by the time we get to tomorrow, especially tomorrow evening. And it's not going to be leaving anytime soon. It's going to be basically one of those relatives that you really want to leave, but they don't leave. They just stay in place and be annoying, and that is essentially what this cold front is going to be for this entire weekend into next week, as it stalls out over the region and produces a threat for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms each afternoon, tropical hazy conditions, because it doesn't clear out the air mass that's in place. So basically, it just becomes a real nuisance over the next couple of days. On the current visible satellite picture, you can see plenty of clear skies over the northern mid-Atlantic with tropical conditions. Again, we're going to be watching out for cumulus development from a little shortwave like this one right here coming off the Appalachian Mountains, and possibly maybe a sea breeze front if you see any cumulus starting to form right along the Jersey Shore, around Long Island. That's the only way you're going to see any type of rainfall for today. Other than that, it is going to be sunny, hot, and humid. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see our slow-moving cold front that is inching its way towards our region. By the time it gets here, like I said, it will essentially pretty much wash out and not really have much of an impact on our temperatures, other than the fact that because of the thunderstorms around and a little bit more cloud cover, we won't be around 95. Instead, we'll be more around 90. So that's pretty much the only influence on this pattern. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Watch out for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. Other than that, scattered cloud cover with hazy, hot, and humid conditions. Look for high temperatures to range from the mid to upper 80s on Long Island, lower to mid 90s everywhere else, with a heat index pushing near 100 degrees. For tonight into tomorrow morning, scattered cloud cover is expected. Again, can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm, perhaps early in the morning. Look for low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, hazy, hot, and humid with isolated showers and thunderstorms. Look for high temperatures ranging from the upper 80s to lower 90s over the interior, mid to upper 80s along the immediate coast, especially on Long Island, and lower to mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. Now, tomorrow evening into Saturday morning, that cold front will sink south and stall over the region. That's going to lead to scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, there's going to be some locations that will get some very heavy rainfall, with these thunderstorms capable of torrential downpours, frequent lightning, small hail, wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Could be an isolated severe thunderstorm, pushing winds up to 65 mile per hour wind gusts. But there's also going to be some areas that will be bone dry. So it's going to be widely scattered hit and miss type of scenario. Look for temperatures on Saturday morning to fall into the upper 60s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. High temperatures on Saturday will rebound into the mid to upper 80s over the interior, mid to upper 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, the frontal boundary hangs around the region, possibly a little fog in the morning, a few isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Other than that, hazy, hot, and humid, with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 70s and high temperatures ranging from the mid 80s over the interior, mid 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, rinse and repeat, fog in the morning, isolated shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to mid 70s for lows, possibly a few upper 70s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 80s along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s over the interior, and lower to mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, another cold front will attempt to move towards the region with widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 70s for much of the region, mid to upper 70s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the upper 80s to lower 90s over the interior, mid to upper 80s along the immediate coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Wednesday, the cold front actually moves through with showers and thunderstorms and a change in the air mass. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. High temperatures range from the upper 70s to mid 80s over the interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast. And on Thursday, a Canadian high pressure system will build south with clear skies to sky cloud cover. Low temperatures will be in the mid to upper 50s over the interior, upper 60s to, lower to mid 60s in the suburbs, mid to upper 60s in your urban areas for lows. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That's your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.